give me cocky homage.
Yo, Skilly, what you say? When you're done, just make my boss head in a draft. Yeah man, cause the draft board already long time, I just head for boss there now.
Skull boy, I know.
Alright, go and talk to him. So you feel a joke thing? Alright, watch out, I didn't even talk long. First move. Rotted. Already? Brother. Alright, watch out. Go and talk tough now.
Mass murder if enough of them.
Thief, put back that. Oh, Jaja, and where that come from? Oh, you get so much tech that you're a thief, brother. You're a thief, you know, youth?
Sorry when you're done dead. Shotty a fuck of them.
Yo, brother. You're a thief, you know? You always a deep, brother. I'm sorry, me even take up myself and play a game with them, but me I play a job, brother. Me get some channel stuff.
I should have the rocket launcher, me the go for quick. Me the one send the whole immense go hell.
Bag of chattings are depend, you know. Me not depend bag of chattings. King me no man, king me no man, king me no. Jaja. King me. Nah, I tell you, and me make you all win too, brother. My vibes are broke, brother. That me I tell you. And me make you win. Man, thief. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Delary. Look at that. I'm gonna leave to see sir once. And when you feel him say I skip class. Subscribe.